Hi students, welcome to physics class. Today we are going to discuss some important numericals. Now go for discussion one by one. Numerical number 1, a shell is fired. A shell is fired at an angle of at an angle of 60 degrees to the horizontal. 60 degree horizontal direction. Horizontal direction with a velocity of with a velocity of 392 meter per second. 392 meter per second. 392 meter per second. Full stop. Find the time of flight. Find the time of flight. Find the time of flight. Horizontal range. Horizontal range and maximum height. Maximum height attained. Maximum height attained. Now take G is equal 9.8 meter per second square. Once again, my dear students, I am repeating the question. Listen carefully. A shell is fired at an angle of 60 degrees to the horizontal direction with a velocity of 392 meter per second. Now find the time of flight. Point number 2, horizontal range. Point number 3, maximum height attained. These three we have to find. Now, what the examiner given? The examiner given theta is equal 60 degrees, comma, initial velocity u is equal 392 meter per second and g is equal 9.8 meter per second. Now solution. Here total time of flight. Total, point number 1. Total time of flight. Total time of flight. Capital T is equal to u sin theta by g, that is equal 2 into what is u? 392 into sine 60 degrees whole by what is the g value? G value is equal to 9.8. Therefore, the t time of flight is equal to 69.23 second. Now, horizontal range. Horizontal range, that is capital R. Therefore, capital R is equal to u square sine 2 theta whole by g. Capital R is equal to what is u? 392 whole square into sine 2 into what is theta? 60 degrees whole by what is g value? 9.8. Therefore, R is equal to 392 into 392 into sine 120 degrees whole by 9.8. Therefore, what is the R value? R is equal to 13,578.9 meters. Now, maximum height. We are going to discuss about maximum height. That is h. Therefore, h is equal to u square sine square theta whole by 2g. That is what is u value? 392 whole square into sine square. What is theta value? 60 degrees whole by 2 into 9.8. That is equal to 392 into 392 into what is sine 60? Root 3 by 2 whole square whole by 2 into 9.8. So, what is the h value? The h is equal to 5880 meters. What is the h value? 5880 meters. Now see numerical number 2. Now we are going to discuss numerical number 2. A cricket ball is thrown at a speed of 28 meters per second in a direction in a direction 30 degrees above the horizontal. Above the horizontal. Now calculate point number 1, maximum height. Now point number 2, the time taken by the ball, the time taken by a ball to return to the same level. Now point number 3, the distance from the thrower to the point where the ball returns to the same level. Question mark. My dear students, once again I am repeating the question. Observe carefully. A cricket ball is thrown at a speed of 28 meter per second in a horizontal direction 30 degrees above the horizontal. Calculate point number 1, maximum height. Point number 2, the time taken by the ball to return to the same level. Point number 3, the distance from the thrower to the point where the ball returns to the same level. This is the question. Now see, given what the examiner given? The examiner given u is equal 28 meter per second and theta is equal 30 degrees. Now what the examiner want? Solution. What the examiner want? The maximum height. Point number 1, the maximum the maximum height, that is equal h maxima or capital H. Therefore, capital H is equal to, what is the formula? U square sine square theta by 2z, that is equal 28 into 28 into sine square 30 sine square 30 sine square 30 2 into 9.8, that is equal 28 into 28 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 whole by 19.6, that is equal 10 meters. Therefore, the H maximum height is equal to how much? 10 meters. Once again I am repeating, the maximum height H maxima is equal to H. The maximum at H formula is equal to U square sine square theta by 2z, that is equal to 28 into sine square 30 by 2 into 9.8, that is equal to 28 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 whole by 19.6, because 2 into 9.8 is equal to 19.6, that is equal to 10 meters. Therefore, H is equal to 10 meters. Now, point number 2, the time taken, the time taken to return to the same level. That means the examiner want capital T. Therefore, the time of flight T is equal to, what is the formula? 2u sin theta whole by g, that is equal to 2 into, what is u value? 28 into sine, what is the theta value? 30 degrees whole by, what is g value? 9.8, that is equal to 2.9 seconds. Once again I am repeating point number 2, the time taken to return to the same level, that is capital T question mark. Therefore, capital T is equal to 2u sin theta by g, that is equal to 2 into 28 into sin 30 degrees by 9.8. Therefore, 2 is equal to 2.9 seconds. Now, point number 3, the distance from the thrower. The distance from the thrower to the point where the ball returns. returns to the same level is, that is R is called question mark. Once again, point number 3, the distance from the thrower to the point where the ball returns to the same level is R. Now what is R? Question mark. We don't know. Now we are going to find. Therefore, the R is equal to U square sine 2 theta whole by G, that is equal to, what is U? 28 whole square into sine 2 into 30 degrees whole by 9.8, that is equal to 28 into sine 60 degrees whole by 9.8. Therefore, R is equal to 28 into 28 into sine 60 root 3 by 2 whole by 9.8. Therefore, R is equal to 69 meters. So, my dear students, in this video we discussed 2 important numericals, that is time of flight, maximum height, horizontal range. Now, thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you.